Ian, welcome to Open Reality. Thanks for joining us today. MLR have been a customer of Open Realities for over 10 years and have used Ekahau wireless site survey tools to deliver many networks and many projects on time and successfully to customers. Hopefully you're here today to talk about exactly some of your experiences with Ekahau and your customer stories. Ian, what is MLR and what is your core business?
MLR is a Cisco Premier Partner and provider of network infrastructure solutions. We've been in business 30 years, starting initially as a cabling provider. Over the years, we now supply a range of network infrastructure solutions, including wireless networks, unified communications, and switching and routing.
What is your relationship with Open Reality?
MLR have worked with Open Reality now for over 10 years, and they're our provider of our network test tools, which includes the Ekahau Site Survey tool.
MLR have used Ekahau for over 6 years. In that time you must have surveyed some fairly interesting places. Can you share any of them with us?
I certainly can. We've surveyed all sorts of sites over the years, from very small restaurants through to large manufacturing warehouses, through to some more unusual sites which include some of the world's largest super yachts, which present their own challenges when we're trying to deploy wireless in that sort of environment.
Why are site surveys so important?
Site survey is really important for a number of reasons. The first one is to make sure that adequate signal strength is available in all areas. Although a signal strength might be fine for a laptop PC, it may not be strong enough to support a tablet device. Whilst doing the survey, we can also measure other factors such as interference, which can have a negative impact on the network. Whilst conducting the survey, we can also make sure the physical building will support the design and implementation of a new network.
In your experience, what are the major factors that impact the effectiveness of a wireless network?
There can be a number of physical and environmental constraints. When we're looking at a new building, typically the type of building can have a major impact. In our experience, we've surveyed a number of central London hotels, which are very old buildings with very thick walls, which makes surveying these sites very difficult and often means more wireless access points need to be deployed. Interference is also something we need to manage and monitor. Very often in central London properties, we see a lot of interference from outside sources. This is something that needs to be managed when the wireless network's deployed.
Ian, what's next for wireless?
That's quite a big question. What we will see certainly is wireless speeds increasing significantly. I think the day is very close now where wireless speeds will surpass those of wired networks that we see today. We'll also see more expectation from users that the wireless networks they use in the workplace and out in their day-to-day lives will have the same user experience of speed as their networks at home.
Do you have any experience of organisations who have not used site surveys?
Yes, we do. We've been involved with a number of customers now who have deployed wireless networks either directly or via a third party. Once these networks have gone live, they haven't met the customer's expectations. We've been invited in to look at the network and try and ascertain why that is. Very often we've found it's due to either no survey being carried out or a poor network design.
Why do you continue to use Ekahau?
At MLR, we believe in working with the industry's market leaders. Having looked at this area, we believe Ekahau are the market leader due to their continuous innovation and development.
And finally, Ian, what's next for MLR?
Well, MLR, we're looking to continue to build on our 30 years worth of success. We always want to be innovators and stay at the forefront of technological trends. We'll continue to work with our customers to make sure we're deploying the very best of networking solutions. And of course, that will mean working with our partners, Open Reality and Ekahau.
Ian, thanks for your time today. As always, we look forward to working with you in the future.